Senegalese fish stew, or Thiebou Jenn, is the national dish of Senegal, a rich and aromatic fish stew traditionally made with snapper or grouper and vegetables in a spicy tomato-based sauce. The fish is often marinated and stuffed with a spiced parsley-garlic paste known as rof. Let's go over some of the key ingredients. Here I have some snapper or grouper, Scotch bonnet pepper, tamarind concentrate, dried African locust beans, yucca, okra, cilantro, and green onions. The fish should be fresh and firm. If using a whole fish, scale, gut, and remove the gills. Rinse your fish under cold water and pat dry. Cut into 1.5 to 2-inch steaks, including the head. We're going to marinate the fish with the classic Senegalese marinade and relish called rof. This bold herb paste adds complexity. In a food processor, add large garlic cloves, a bunch of parsley, including the stems and leaves, white onion, scallions, crushed red pepper flakes, and ground black pepper. Process until the mixture becomes a coarse paste. Using your hands, coat the fish steaks generously with the rof herb paste, including the head. Set aside. In a large pot or rondo, heat some vegetable oil and add diced white onion and green bell peppers. Give this a stir. Add some tomato paste. Cook until brick red, stirring continuously, deglazing with water as necessary so as not to burn. Add water and deglaze. Add salt. Cook gently for 30 minutes until the oil begins to separate. Add the marinated fish. Add any extra marinade. Cook the fish on each side for about 2 to 3 minutes until lightly golden. Add a Scotch bonnet pepper. These are among the hottest chili peppers in the world, featuring a floral and tropical aroma and fruity flavor. If you do not have Scotch bonnet peppers, then you can substitute another fresh hot chili like a habanero. If fresh chilies are not available, then substitute a dry product like ground cayenne. Add some dried African locust beans. Cook gently for 10 minutes. Dried African locust beans come from the African locust bean tree and bring a unique umami flavor to dishes. When cooked, they break down and release starches, acting as a natural thickening agent in soups and stews and sauces. And add some yatte, a fermented sea snail primarily used in Senegalese cuisine. Here, we're using fish sauce as a substitution. Remove the fish and set aside. Leave the fish head and give this a stir, allowing it to flavor the remaining sauce for a few more minutes. Remove the head and discard. Add in the head of a green cabbage, cut into wedges, turnips, butternut squash, carrots, yucca, and eggplant. Return to a boil and then allow to simmer for 15 minutes. Add the okra and then the tamarind and cook until the vegetables are tender. Tamarind is made from the pulp of a tamarind tree. Tamarind concentrate has a tangy, sweet-sour flavor with fruity undertones. Once the vegetables soften, carefully add the fish back to the pot. Simmer on low for about 15 to 20 minutes, spooning the broth over the fish to soak in flavor. Now we're ready to serve. Garnish with cilantro. Serve warm with lime wedges and with jollof rice, which you can see how to make in another video in this series. Thiebou Jenn is a hearty, robust, and deeply spiced stew with a complex flavor profile that combines elements of spice, tanginess, umami, and earthiness. It's a beloved dish in Senegalese cuisine, often enjoyed as a communal meal with family and friends.